After importing your media files to the timeline, before you begin editing, it is important for you to synchronize your audio to your video. And this is necessary for you when you record your audio separately. When you record your audio separately, you need to synchronize your audio to the audio of your video, and that way both your separately recorded audio and your video will play at the same time. Otherwise, you'll be hearing two voices speaking at different time. Let me show you an example from my file. We have not synchronized these files, and so when we play, you will see that the video and the audio will be playing at different times.
If you have issues with
Follow me for more if you have issues with
Did you notice that?
Follow me for more if you have difficulties increasing your ownership or damage.
Alright, so in order to avoid this, we need to synchronize the audio and the video. How do you do that? Simply select the video clip and the audio clip. You can select one, then hold your control on Windows and the command on Mac to select the two, and then simply right click on any of the file. Right click and then look for sync video to sound. Once you click on sync video to sound, wait for the software to do that automatically. I'm selecting sync video to sound, which is this. Wait for it. Depending on the length of your video clip, that's how long it will take. Video synced to sound. Now let's play again and see if it is properly synced.
On their page, it has to be a good quality and
as you can see,
value.
It is playing as if there is just one audio in this video clip, because both the sound of the video clip and the separately recorded sound are playing at the same time at sync. Right, so now that is taken care of. At this point, after the synchronization of both audio, we need to mute the audio of the video.